polynomial of two variables.
Ano meron?
Polynomial function.
Tapos,
The degree is a degree. So, 19 plus 18 plus 17 plus 16 plus 15 plus 14 plus 13 plus 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 equals 180. Hey! Where's my photographer?
Yan na. Ano nga yung tanong ngayon? Sir, what's your ano?
hello guys, anong ginagawa nyo? Hello! Hey Eunice, sleep well. Hi Carlin, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth. Saan ka di sali, oh? Ay!
Hindi ka alam yung binuto sa yung video eh.